Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my Slow English podcast. It's so nice to have you here with us today.
Hello, friends. I'm Mark. Thank you for joining us again. We're happy to spend this time with you.
Today, we are talking about something everyone does every single day.
Yes, something we can't escape.
Your daily routine.
Your daily routine is the set of things you do from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep again.
And this is a great topic for English beginners because daily routines use the most common verbs. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, take a shower, sleep.
Very simple, very useful.
And of course, you can shadow us. Listen, pause, repeat.
Emily, let's start with the morning. What is your morning routine like?
My morning routine is simple. I wake up at around 6:30. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms. Then I sit on the edge of my bed and smile a little.
You smile first thing in the morning?
Yes, it helps me start the day with a warm feeling.
That's very sweet. What do you do next?
After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of warm water.
Oh, warm water. You do that every day, right?
Yes, every single day. It helps me wake up slowly and kindly.
What about breakfast?
I love breakfast. I usually have something light. Yogurt, fruit, maybe toast. And of course,
Let me guess. Tea.
yes, tea. Always tea.
My morning routine is a little different. I wake up at 7. And honestly,
You don't smile right away?
no. I stare at the ceiling for a few minutes. Then I think, okay, Mark, time to move.
That's okay. Everyone starts differently.
After that, I go to the kitchen and drink water. Then I make coffee, strong coffee.
I knew it.
Yes, coffee helps me wake up and feel ready.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes, if I'm hungry, I eat eggs or cereal. If I'm not hungry, I eat later.
For our listeners, you can describe your morning routine with simple sentences like, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work.
Very easy and very real. Try to picture your morning and say it out loud.
You can shadow us. Repeat slowly.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
Great job!
Emily, do you ever have busy mornings?
Yes. Sometimes I wake up late. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes everything feels fast.
That happens to everyone.
On busy mornings, I take a slower breath. Even one slow breath helps me feel calm.
I think many listeners need that too.
Morning routines can be peaceful or stressful, but your routine is your daily beginning, and you can make it gentle.
And now, let's move to the middle part of the day. Work, school, and everything that happens after morning. Welcome to part 2. Now we go into what most people do during the day.
Work, school, lunch, errands.
responsibilities, all the things that fill your day.
Emily, what does your midday routine look like?
Usually, I work from around 9 to 12. I check emails, I plan lessons, I record audio.
And drink more tea?
Yes, sometimes.
My midday routine is different. I do calls, meetings, and teaching sessions. Sometimes I go out to get fresh air.
That's a healthy thing to do. A short walk can help the mind relax.
Yes, even 5 minutes can make a big difference.
Listeners, think about your own midday routine. Maybe you go to work, go to school, cook lunch, clean your home, take care of children, study, go to the market.
All of these are daily routines, and all of them are real life.
What time do you usually have lunch, Mark?
Around 12:30 or 1. I usually eat something simple. Rice, chicken, vegetables.
Sounds nice.
And you, Emily?
I eat around 12. Usually salad, soup, or noodles. Something warm.
Here are easy sentences for talking about lunch. I eat lunch at 12. I cook lunch for my family. I eat at the office. I buy lunch near my work.
Try saying one now. Shadow us.
I eat lunch at 1.
I cook lunch at home.
Afternoons can be different for everyone.
Yes, some people work until evening. Some people study. Some people rest.
What do you usually do in the afternoon, Emily?
In the afternoon, I finish my work, answer messages, and sometimes take a short break.
A short break is important.
Yes, even 5 minutes.
When I finish my afternoon work, I like to walk outside. It helps me clear my mind.
That is healthy.
Do you go outside in the afternoon too?
Yes, sometimes. If the weather is nice, I take a short walk or sit in a quiet cafe. Sounds peaceful. For our listeners, daily routine can feel boring, but it is also a beautiful rhythm of life.
And talking about your daily routine in English is good practice for speaking clearly.
Welcome to part 3. Now we will talk about the evening, the quiet, soft end of your daily routine.
Evening routines are important. They help you rest and prepare for the next day.
Mark, what do you usually do when you finish work?
I rest for a moment. Then I eat dinner. After that, I take a shower and relax.
I like quiet evenings too. I cook dinner, clean the kitchen, and sometimes read a book.
Do you watch anything?
Sometimes. Light shows,
Calming shows. Nothing too loud.
Same for me. I like soft videos or peaceful music.
For our listeners, here are simple evening routine sentences. I go home. I cook dinner. I take a shower. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed at 10.
You can shadow these slowly.
I eat dinner.
I take a shower.
I go to sleep.
Evenings are a time to breathe, to let the day go.
Yes. And speaking about your daily routine helps you understand your life and see what is important.
Some days are busy. Some days are calm. Some days feel heavy.
But every day begins again, and you can shape your routine with kindness to yourself.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Yes, thank you. You did a wonderful job.
You can listen again, shadow again, speak again.
We are proud of you.
This is the end of our conversation for today.
See you next time on the Learning Slow English podcast.